Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to. So in this video I'm gonna create a chatbot or a chatbot. So this is the first class of creating a chatbot. So hope you will enjoy this lecture, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos and content. So first of all, we have to import some libraries in order to create a chatbot. So I'm going to import some of the libraries, like from Chatbot import chatbot. Okay, so first of all you have to import a chatbot, and that is a Python library that makes it easy to generate an automated responses for the user input. So now I'm gonna import other libraries from chatbot.trainers import list trainer. So list trainer is basically used for training the chatbot. So now I'm going to create an object or an instance. Chatbot is equals to chatbot, and here I'm gonna give the name of my chatbot. So for example, I am going to name my chatbot, which is Shane, a short and a beautiful name, Shane. So now after creating the instance, it is also possible to train the bot, and training is a good way to ensure that the bot starts off with the knowledge about the specific responses, and the current training methods takes a list of statements and that represents a conversation. So let's give some conversation for the chatbot. So I'm creating a object, and here I'm gonna add some conversations or the training data. Okay, here we go. This is the conversation or the training data for this chatbot, because it is a very simple chatbot, and you can increase the training data, so it depends on you. So now we are going to train our chatbot. So for that we have to write some lines of code. Now after training the chatbot, now we are moving ahead to the get response section, because in this section we will get response from the chatbot. For that I am going to create a variable called response is equals to chatbot.getResponse. It's a method, actually a built-in method. And now I am giving a single word. I'm not giving a loop that will loop automatically. So here it will give us a one response in this class. Now I'm going to run my code. Hope it will run successfully without any error. I hope. Okay, it is compiling, and it is starting the project. As you can see here, the list trainer, and they are okay. So they give an error which is chatbot has no attribute get response. Okay, let me check. Okay, as you can see here, I have made a spelling mistake here, which is response, not response. So as you can see here, this is the method. So just remove it and write here, sorry, hello. And now hope so it will work. It is training our bot and hope it will work again. We have to wait for a while. From bot, hey there. So as you can see here, we have given the data hello. So from bot, the bot give us a response like hey there. So it means that in our first class we are quite successful in training our bot. So now we will create a console based chatbot that you will give a question after question and it will respond you for the suitable answer. So now first of all I'm gonna give here a print command and ask to bot. Okay, so as we will run the program, it will show the line ask to bot. Okay, and now I am using the while loop here for the continuous our question and responses. While true, sorry. Okay, now I am declaring a variable or an instance query. The query we will ask or the question we will ask to the bot, and here it will take here the input from the user. As we all know that the while loop is an infinite loop, so we have to stop the loop whenever we will need it. So for that I am using the if clause here, like if query is equal to stop or exit, what will it do? It will break the loop. Okay, and otherwise we will get the response here. Okay, 1 second. These are the lines. I'm gonna deleting this one and we need this line here. Okay, I'm just pasting it over here and just removing this hello with the query. Sorry, query, Q-U-E-R-Y, query. Sorry, we have given the Q-U query. So this is it. How simple it is to train your bot and ask a particular question and give the respective answer. So this query will judge the question and reply you with the suitable answer from here. And as you can see here, I have added some extra questions and some extra data in the training data or in the conversation. So like all these questions are here. And now I'm gonna run the chatbot. Hope it will work properly and successfully run the program. Okay, it is running successfully. Ask to bot. So we have to ask to the bot according to the given questions we have already given there in our training data. So I have given here like who is your creator and then question mark. Let's see. Okay, it is not giving the answer. Let me check. Okay, we have missed here a line like from bot, because we didn't give any instruction to the bot to print its responses. So I'm giving here the variable response. Now it will work properly, inshallah. So let's run it again. Ask to bot. So I'm asking him hello, what is it? Okay guys, I have made a mistake over here. I missed this variable like query is equals to exit. So I was using the single variable and I was missing this section. So that's why it was giving the problem. It was not replying us. So now, run it again, chatbot. It will take a few seconds to reply. And now it is training the model. Ask to bot like, hey there, hello from the bot. Okay, what is your name? My name is Shane. And make sure you are writing the correct questions. You. Okay, my question was who is your creator, but now I am giving here who created you to check whether it is working or not. Smart programmer created me. So it is it's a smart bot actually, so it is checking for the proper answer, the right answer, and then it will respond to you. So now I'm writing here like exit, exit, and the process is finished. Okay guys, now I'm going to add a new feature in our chatbot, which is text to speech recognition. By adding this feature, our console based chatbot will convert into a talking chatbot or a speaking chatbot. So whatever we will ask to our chatbot, it will reply us in verbal way and in non-verbal way. So that is the most interesting feature of a chatbot. So for that we have to include another library, which is pyttsx3. So if we want to know that how to download all these libraries and modules which we used for creating our chatbot, I will give the link in the description section and also in the I-bar that how to download all these modules and install in your PC. So for that, now I'm going to import the library. Import pyttsx3 as TTS. That's a nickname or a short name. Okay, so pyttsx3 will convert our text into speech. So here now I'm going to create a variable named as engine, or you can name it with any name. And now I'm tts dot init. That init method will initialize our chatbot to speak. It will initialize that method, the pyttsx3. Okay, now I am adding just 2 lines of code in the while loop. So first is engine, the variable we created above, dot say. Say is a method for speaking purpose, and here I'm giving the response variable. So whatever the response we will get from the chatbot, it will passed in this method, and this method will help the chatbot to talk with the with the user. And the second line of code is engine dot run and wait. The run and the wait function make the speech audible in the system. If you don't write this command or this function, the speech will not be audible to you. So this is all about it, and now I'm going to run this program and hope it will run successfully without giving us any errors. So hope so. And okay, ask to bot, hello.
Hi there.
Oh yes, our chatbot is working properly and it is speaking properly. It is talking to us now. Our chat console based chatbot is converted into a talking chatbot. Okay, who is your creator?
Smart programmer created me.
Tell me about yourself.
I am a smart bot.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And if you want to exit this, so you have to write exit or stop. And the process is finished. So hope you enjoyed this lecture, and it was very fun lecture.